Hello friend, good morning. My name is Shubham and welcome to my YouTube channel Engineering Science. So today we are going to learn about how to install Splunk software. It is basically web-based application. So it is used for basically the analyzing and visualizing the or monitoring the given data with a respected manner. So first you to open your one of your browsers. I'm opening my Google Chrome here. Just simply write down here Splunk. Splunk is a software company which is developing this software. So I'm just basically downloading it. Go to this.com. Splunk turn your data into doing. It's basically used to monitoring and analyzing your data. Okay. So first what you have to do, you have to just create your user ID free trial. It will give us for some specific limited period of time for the individual user who is trying to explore these new things. But I'm just creating here. So you're also learning, I'm also learning this new software. So basically what we have to do, we have to create one new sign up. First we have to sign up here. So I will simply go and click on sign up. Okay. Then I'm going for a download free trial. Okay. So this information you have to fill up here. So I will write my name. Everything should be automatically filled. Your title. This is my phone number. I have provided. I will go I engineer company. Contact. Okay. If I want to create my username, I will create same as my email ID. Okay, so should be not a part in your case or character. Password must be limit. Okay. So I will create my password, giving some basic information what you have to use and what you don't have to use. Special character in your password. Okay. So I will double click on both this agreement and the agrees in the marketing community. Okay, so what is this? Special character is not required in our username, so I will just simply remove it. Okay, so what I will do, will just simply put shown sales art. Okay, fine. So it is checking now this that username is good or not. So after fill up all the information, you simply click on the create your account. Okay, remember your ID and password, whatever you have filled here while creating this account. Okay, don't be bothered about that. Okay, so as you know, Splunk is a now very trending software. It is more than 92% of companies now are using this Splunk software. So I'll put it near. Okay, after now I'm inside my dashboard. So what I will do, I will just download the free trial. If you go here in a download section, you have to go products. And products, in the products you have to go for free trial and download. So click here. Okay, so for community version you are asking that download a 60-day free trial for enterprises or cloud-based platform for 40 days trial. Okay, so that is the main issue is here. Okay, so just now check what I'm doing here. You have to go into products, free trial and download. You have to click here. After that, there are 14 days trial for cloud platform, but we don't want to use cloud platform. So I'm using here my local machine, the fastest way to aggregate, analyze, and get the answer from your machine data. So I will just simply click on this download free 60-day trial. So I will click on this. So it will show me all the possible downloading option that for Windows, for Linux, and for Mac also. And this system, my system is for Windows 64, Windows 10 server. If you want to more the other downloads are Windows 7 or Windows 8, so we can also go in the other products. You can simply click here and just check the other product should be there or not. It should be there, so you just go there and download that. Okay, so I will just keep one step back and I will download this for my zip file. Okay, or you can download for MSI file, whatever you want. For I am just downloading, not downloading zip file, I am downloading in .emsi file, so it will be just created. The means I will tell you one thing. So there are some older release also, like some older release. Now this is Windows Splunk Enterprises version 8.2.5. So previously, if you want to download previous version for your project and for your work, so you can download that also going to the older release. The system requirement you can check from here. Release node you can check from here. Okay, so I will simply click on this MSI download. It is around 375 MB file, so it will take some time for me because I am having a little bit poor internet connection. It is showing some agreement. You have to click on that. You have to check the box X. Now acknowledge the customizing using Splunk Enterprise 8.0. Then start your download. Simply you have to do first. You have to create your account. Then you can able to only download this particular file. Okay. So it's showing me to download it. It is downloading now. It will take some time, but before that I will just go to the pause for my recording and we'll see after the download. Okay, bye. So while downloading, we just go to the why Splunk. So there is one also option in their website only. So why Splunk we can use. So simply go here and learn more about why Splunk. Why we can using Splunk. So, okay, why customer choose Splunk? Ensuring the security and the system realizing while assessing innovating is business imperative. Okay, thus outcomes are achievable with data. That's why the customer choose Splunk. Okay, means the customer or any application having producing the huge amount of data, any machine with producing a huge amount of data like sensor, camera, YouTube, or any application that you're running on web or in your local machines, it will provide instantly data or local data or not, or it should be constantly producing a data, means new data in the world. So you have to gather that data. You have to take, analyze, and monitoring that data from your system. Okay. So it's our file is downloaded now. So I will simply go and I will show in folder. It is basically inside the download folder. So what I will do, I will just simply copy from my file. I will not click on simply install. I want this file for save in my future use. So I will just simply go here. There is one my folder for software. The programming software should be there, so I will control V. I will take that software here. Okay, here it is. So I will or the software I already have, but I will simply double click here on this software. Okay, so now it is asking me for some permission. You have to create that permission. You have to create your ID password. Then you can able to launch it. So you just have to check this box. Okay. View license agreement and all. If you want to customize this default installation option, you can customize using this button, but I'm keep it as default. And this is a path where your Splunk is going to save their execution files. Okay, it will also create a start menu. I'll simply click on next. Here you have to create your username. You can please set my name, my password. Okay, then I will click on next. It will create a shortcut menu. I want the shortcut menu and I will just simply click on install. Okay, now it is installing in my local machine. So we will wait for some time. So where are we though? As you know, it is very useful software for it is very useful software for monitoring and analyzing the full. It is asking for permission. I will click on yes. Now it is installing to my local machine. Make sure you don't have if you have an office laptop, you need the permission for administration. So you have to contact your IT guy basically for install this software in your office laptop. So this is I'm doing in my personal laptop. So I'm only the admin of my personal laptop, so it is not asking me that much of permission. I will just simply click on yes. Okay. For that permission, you need to add the password of your admin ID password. Okay. Means your ID password is installing the software in your office laptop. You have to make permission from that. Correct. Okay, fine. So it is setting up a wizard, install Splunk Enterprise, installing that Splunk. Let me simply minimize this. Where are we? So there are the outcome unknown innovation, improve security, drive this lessons. What makes Splunk different? What makes Splunk different is there only. You can simply go to this all documentation, integrated observability and security, end-to-end data coverage that should be there. World-leading investigation, rapid time to action. It will means what it will do basically. The overview I will tell you. It will the whatever the random data machine will create or whatever it is creating, it is collect that data, means whatever the data we have given to Splunk software, it is make that data useful for our use, for our enterprises, for our machine, for our development. It will use that data. Okay, it will provide a number of graphs, it will provide a number of statistics analysis. You have to go through it, you have to just study it. Basically business standard, whatever the business management students should be there, or business management, any person who knows the MBA, business management, they have gone through several graph. If they analyze that graph, what should be happening next, they can answer the question. If the graph is providing, is graph is performing something like that, so it will create an impact. What is the future impact of that particular graph in our future company? No, not in future company. The future of our company, what that graph will perform. So it will analyzing the data and just providing insight from that data. Okay, so still now it is taking some time. Yeah, so it is installed totally. You can see here the Splunk Enterprises was successfully installed. Okay, so I will just make that checkbox on. I will just simply click on finish. Here it is. Here is a done. Here we got a Splunk. It's open into your web browser. Okay, so I'm just you have to provide your username and password whatever you have created. Just right now, if you don't remember that ID and password, you just simply use this one that is below inside their username, and this is the password that you can generate an instant for one time only. Okay, later then you can just simply change your password after logging through this password. I know that what is my username and password, so I will write that. Our password also. So we simply click on this and I will sign in. Oh, login failed, something has happened. The Shubham City, that should not be login fail, correct? So why it is going to fail? I will need to understand what is happening. S-Qube. Okay, sign in. Still showing something weird. One thing I will do. One thing I will just. All right. I got the issue. What was there? Actually, it's not my username. My username is this only, Shubham, and it is the correct name. Okay, so I'll just simply click on OK. So look here. I will click on save. I want to get it not happen every time. So you can look here what the feature helping you to get value for more from software, Splunk software. Okay, so there's basic instruction. If you want to this instruction, and then instrumentation is setting, Splunk privacy key. If you want to read this documentation, you can read this. The feature user development, topology, infrastructure, environment, and performance. Okay, so I will just simply click on got it. If you want to read it, you can just simply go and read it into different web. But I will not going to do that in this video. In later video you can see. So I simply go ahead and got it. So it will storage engine migration recommendation. It will show me that. Remind me in 2 weeks. I will click on that, or you can just simply turn it off. So this is a basic interface. This is a dashboard of your Splunk software. This is a web-based application. It will show your desired output here after you are creating your data and your visualization tool. Means you are searching and reporting. So I will keep this all things on here. You have administration, messages, setting, privacy, health. It is everything. Splunk document should be there, which will help you to create a Splunk product. How to create that we'll see in the next video. This is for the installation part. Thanks guys, and we will see in the next video. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel if you like this video. It is very informative.